This is how I grind my sorcerer with Kina. So as you can see, almost max na po ang limit natin daily. And yesterday, na-achieve naman natin yung daily maximum limit ng Kenag grinding farming. So if you want this kind of AFK farming, I'm using an iPad right now, so I'm not touching any button. At the same time, auto loot na po siya. Okay, so pwede po kayong matulog ng buong gabi na kusa na po siya nagpa-farm. Okay, so tingnan nyo mamaya, mag-auto loot yun. Dami, oh. See? And here you can see loots din po, gold loots, sorry, loots, mga golds, yan loot lang din po ito, loots lang yan. Okay, mga latest na loot.